pictures, Facebook pictures, high five pictures, and a certain picture. Oh my God, I could just hug you all day long. Haley, you are my favorite person in the whole wide world. I love you this much. Oh my God, you're so cute. And I could just grab you and squeeze you and pull you away like this. And then I'll grab your head and grab your nose and your head again. And then, oh my God, I just don't know what I'm saying. I love you so much. I'll be shitting you. And then we could go for walks and read books and everything. You're just so perfect.
Psych. 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 No, I'm just joking. You're great.